children, how are you all? Yes, I know you all are just rocking. Children, today I'm not going to teach you any of the subjects. Today we will be having fun with some knowledge. Okay? And I will be starting my today's work with a wonderful story. Okay? But in that story, no children, there was a problem. And what was that problem? Do you want to know? And who was there in that story also? You want to know? So let's go and see. There lived a girl, Sonu. She was a very good girl. Sonu, where is Monu? Monu, 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 where are you? I am here, my little sister. Monu, I am very sad. I saw a dream. What was your dream? Okay, you know, Sonu, my teacher always loves me for my clean teeth. But I saw one of my tooth had some problem. Okay, Monu, but I know your tooth is always clean, very clean. No, my dear, I saw a monster who attacked my tooth and he damaged my tooth and my tooth decayed. And the monster was shouting, Monu, I'm very scared with this dream. Okay, my little sister, don't worry. Today, my teacher has told I will tell you how to keep your teeth clean and what are the things we should remember while brushing our teeth. Okay, my dear, let's go and see. So, children, in the story, you saw Sonu and Monu. Okay, and what problem Sonu had? Sonu saw a dream, and in her dream, what she saw? She saw that what happened? Her tooth was decaying. Okay, and who was attacking? Who was disturbing? This monster. Okay, this monster is called Cavity. Who is he? Cavity. Okay, children. From where does this cavity comes? So let's go and see. Children, see, this is a model of a teeth. Okay, so what I have done, I have made it myself using paper and these are the clay molds. Okay, so children, see, when we get up early in the morning, the first thing we do is we brush our teeth. Why do we brush our teeth? We brush our teeth to keep our teeth clean and healthy. If we don't keep our teeth clean and healthy, what will happen? Germs will be there just like this. And these germs are called cavities. Okay, children? So, we need to clean up these germs or these cavities. Cavities, mostly they come from these ice creams, chocolates. Okay, so we can have these chocolates and ice creams sometimes, not always. Okay, children, now I will tell you the proper way to clean your teeth. But before that, I want to tell you something. Children, what is this? This is a brush you have seen, and this is called the bristles. What is this? So this is called the bristle. What is this? Bristle. Okay, see the bristle. Okay, and this is the handle of the brush. Okay, now children, it's very important that when your bristles are not in a good condition, see, this is the brush. These bristles are not in a good condition. You must change it, because if you brush also, your teeth is not going to be cleaned properly. So children, first you need a toothbrush. Okay, then what you will do, you will take this toothpaste. Okay, this is your toothpaste. Okay, how much you will take? This much only you have to take. How much? This much. Okay, then after that, what you have to do? You have to brush it properly. See, I will now tell you the proper technique of brushing your teeth. What you will do? First, you will just move the brush around your teeth. Okay, from up, down, from top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom. We'll start from the corner of our mouth. Okay, start cleaning like this. See the stroke. Downwards, 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 downwards. Okay, from down to up, down to up, down to up, down to up. Outer side is now cleaned. Now inside also you have to clean like that. From top to bottom, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, after that, your upper portion of the mouth is also having teeth. Yes or no? You have to clean it also. From outside you have to clean like this. Yes? Getting it? Yes. Then inside also you will just throw like this. Yes. From top to bottom, top to bottom. Okay. And after this, what you will do? You have to clean your tongue. See, this is your tongue. Okay, you have to clean your tongue, because throughout the day we are eating, no children, so germs are also deposited here. So we have to take out the germs from our tongue also. So this is the tongue cleaner. I know you don't like to use this, but you have to use this, children, to keep your tongue clean. Clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. Now you see your tongue is clean. Okay, children, after that what you will do? You will rinse your mouth using this water. And when you are rinsing your mouth, no children, you should rinse it properly. Okay, so these are the little things, but very, very important, which you should remember. Yes or no? While brushing your teeth, what you will do? You should first check that the bristles of the brush is okay. After that, take the toothpaste, not very much. I have shown you the proportion. So take that much of toothpaste and use the proper stroke to brush your teeth. Okay, from inside, from outside, from inside of the upper portion of your teeth, lower portion of the teeth. Okay, you have to remember this. And children, after that you have to use the tongue cleaner also. Do remember that. Okay, if you don't brush your teeth properly, you will see your teeth is going to be very, very dirty, and you see what will happen. These kind of marks will be there on your teeth. Yes or no, children? To remove this, we have to use the brush. We have to do the brushing properly. Okay, and you will see that it will come out. Okay, so children, this is how you are going to brush your teeth, and every day you have to do the brushing. Okay, in the morning and at night also after having your dinner. Okay, and this brushing, no children, 2 minutes you have to do it. You have to take only 2 minutes. 2 minutes in the morning, 2 minutes in the night. Okay, and for today this much. But children, I want to share a beautiful moral to for today. I have a beautiful moral for today, you all, that this mouth, no children, it's a very, very important part of your body. Yes or no? So we have to clean our mouth, and we have to always use our mouth. What is there inside our mouth? Tongue is there. Tongue helps us to speak. So whenever we speak, we should always speak good things. Okay, we should not hurt anybody by telling anything anything that hurts others. Okay, so we should check our mouth, or we should check what we are telling to others. Okay, and we should always be like polite in our words. Understood, children? So for today, this much.